Hi people, you are welcome to this channel. This is Precious Great. So guys, a very quick one. Something has been trending on social media, on the internet for some days now. What is it? Can you put it on the comment section if you know what has been trending? Can you put it on the comment section? Okay, I'm going to tell you what is trending. What is trending is an app, social media app known as THREAD, Trade. And trust me, a lot of celebrities, a lot of people, influencers all over the world have joined this app. Just in few days, it has been recorded that over 10 million people have already, oh my god, over 10 million people have already registered in this app, already have an account with this app. So this trade app has been causing some buzz on the internet, and a lot of people have been trying to know what the trade is about. I've been hearing of trade. What exactly is this trade all about? So this trade app is a new app launched by Mark Zuckerberg. So this trade app is a new app that has been launched by Mark Zuckerberg, and it is a social media app which some people said is trying to compete with one other app, while some people say that he's not trying to compete with another app, that is there to replace one other app, while the other people are trying to say that it is an avenue to try different things. And trust me, so many people have been going into the app to showcase themselves, and people have been getting followers upon followers and upon followers. I don't know if you already have an account with Trade app. In my next video, I think I'm going to make another video about it, and then I'm going to put my account. I just want to be sure that we know what Trade app is all about. Then I'm going to put my account on the description box so that we'll talk about it. Then if you have an app, if you already have an account with the Trade app, you also put your account link there, so we'll be able to know ourselves better, right? So what is Trade app? A Trade app is just an app that it looks like Twitter. It has some icons and notifications that looks like Twitter. But if you have an Instagram app, if you have an Instagram account, you can also log in to that Trade app using your Instagram account. Now a lot of persons have been asking, what is this Trade app all about? And some people have been saying, any app that is on ground, a lot of people will just rush in without asking questions. Now this is my take on this Trade app. This is exactly my take on the Trade app. The Trade app is a new app that a lot of people are giving they are trying to showcase themselves, to show what they stand for, to show their products, what their services, the things they offer. And I think it's a very good platform for young persons and even older persons, for people to show themselves to the world. You get to be followed by lots of people, and you get to sell your products and show people that you offer different services. All right, so if you already have an app, the Trade app, I guess you already have an account with them. But if you don't have and you want to open that Trade app, you can also, if you're using an Android phone, you can go to your Play Store and download the Trade app. Remember, the full spelling of Trade is THREAD. That's Trade. That is the Trade app. But if you have an Instagram account, you can also switch to that app using your Instagram account. Do you understand? So I don't know, what do you think about this app? What are your thoughts about the app? What are your takes about the app? Can you put it on the comment section, because I want this to be a very interactive one. So let me know what is your take on this new app that has been making the social media to be on fire. Like, a lot of people are very happy concerning the app, while some people are trying to build their accounts, like to get more followers that will help them sell their businesses and products and what they stand for. So can you please let me know what you think about this? What you think about this new app that has been launched on the internet a few days ago? I'm thinking that for entrepreneurs, this is an amazing opportunity. This is an amazing platform for you to be able to show the world what you sell, what you offer. All right, if you can be able to build your profile in a very attractive manner, in a very attractive way, a lot of people will be able to follow you, and then you sell your product. Isn't that amazing? Lots of people are also there to follow you. We have celebrities. A friend of mine on Facebook said yesterday that, do I know that his friend already have over 34,000 followers just within this space of these few days of it being launched, and a celebrity is also following his friend. He was very happy talking about it, and I was like, okay, have you opened your own account? He said, yes, that is going to do that soon. So I don't know if you have opened your own account. If you have opened your own account, can you please let us know on the comment section that you have opened your account, and can you tell us the reasons why you opened your own account? I believe personally that everyone that is on social media has a reason why he or she is on social media. Some are there to sell their products, like I said before, while some are there to talk about their foundation. They are there to talk about what they do, about their lifestyle. Celebrities are there to just link with their followers and chat with their friends and all that. So what exactly are you on Trade app for? What are you there for? What are you there to do? Are you there to get followers? Are you there to show the world what you do? Are you there to tell people about your brand? What exactly are you there to do? This is do not just get carried away by the trend. While you also want to join the trend, do as much as possible to invest into this opportunity so that you will gain something out of it. I wanted to be sure that some persons already know what trade is all about. So I asked on my Facebook page and asked this question. I said, what do you know about trade? The trending trade. So someone said it's a new platform that was just launched. I said, okay, you got an idea. What else do you know about it? This is the Facebook I'm asking. So he said it's also a social media platform. You can post content and get followed. You can do digital marketing too. And he said a friend of mine got followed by Judy K yesterday. It was amazing. So you can just see, just like I said before, some persons already have lots of followers. A lot of persons already have followers, and so if you, even celebrities got to follow them. So if you know your way around creating a good profile, trust me, this is an avenue for you to make yourself known to the world, and also an avenue for you to sell your products and make good money. Good money. So on the comment section, I want to hear what you think about trade, why you are going to join trade. If you have not joined trade, just say why you would join trade. But if you have joined, just place it on the comment section and say, this is why I already joined the trending trade. So guys, see you on my next video. I don't know if there's another thing that I have to say, but let's just discuss on the comment section. So guys, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button down below. Can you hit the subscribe button down below? And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing community. Thank you so much. We are going to connect on trade. On our next video, I'm going to put up my link on Thread so that you can be able to follow me, and I'll do sure to follow you immediately. Once you follow me, I'll follow you immediately. Let's connect on Thread. Thank you very much, and I'll have an amazing week. I love you. It's still your girl, Precious Grace.